we are doing so now, based on the principle that we'll avoid combining and mixing parliament and legislature deployment with the leadership of the MK Party, except in instances of officials and in other areas where we will decide deployees to parliament and government are not going to occupy leadership responsibilities in the party. The time has now arrived that we should establish ourselves as a full organization with structures and members in all the voting districts, the wards, sub-regions, regions, and provinces. We are today announcing a leadership collective that will be tasked with the full establishment of MKP as a liberation movement that will be represented